From the Michigan Executive Office of Governor, the State of Michigan Stay Home, Stay Safe executive order takes effect at midnight tonight. Non-essential travel is prohibited. As necessary, you may leave your home for health and safety reasons, to get groceries and supplies, for certain outdoor activities, and to care for others. Businesses must limit in-person operations to those necessary to sustain or protect life. All individuals who leave their home or place of residence must adhere to social distancing measures recommended by the CDC. For additional guidance, see www.michigan.gov/coronavirus.
Stop the spread. COVID-19 can be deadly. The time to act is now. Everyone but essential workers need to stay home. Only go out if absolutely necessary to pick up groceries, prescriptions, or go to a medical appointment. Ignoring self-isolation or physical distancing advice can have devastating effects and endanger lives. Protect yourself and others. Stay home. Learn more at https://covid19.ontario.ca.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
緊急地震速報です。福島県、宮城県、山形県、茨城県、栃木県では強い揺れに警戒してください。テレビの画面は福島県いわき市の現在の様子です。カメラが左右に揺れています。NHK の各放送局からの情報によりますと、先ほど午前6時ごろ、東北地方で揺れを感じました。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。海岸や川の近くからは離れてください。緊急地震速報です。福島県、宮城県、山形県、茨城県、そして栃木県では強い揺れに警戒してください。NHK の各放送局からの情報によりますと、先ほど午前6時ごろ、東北地方で揺れを感じました。そしてテレビの画面は東京電力福島第一原子力発電所を捉えています。カメラが左右上下に揺れています。また東京渋谷のスタジオでも現在揺れを感じています。揺れが強い地域の皆さん、落ち着いてください。今震度の情報が入りました。最大震度5弱です。福島県浜通りで最大震度5弱を観測しました。そして5弱の地域が追加されました。改めてお伝えします。震度5弱、福島県中通りと福島県の浜通りです。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。海岸や川の近くからは離れてください。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。海岸や川の近くからは離れてください。各地の震度です。震度5弱、福島県の中通り、福島県の浜通りです。また震度4を宮城県や山形県、福島県など広い範囲で観測しています。今震度5弱の地域が追加されました。茨城県の北部と栃木県の北部でも震度5弱を観測しました。震源が海底ですと津波の恐れがあります。今新しい情報です。津波警報が出ました。津波警報が出ました。今すぐ逃げてください。津波警報が出ました。今すぐ逃げてください。皆さん、東日本大震災を思い出してください。命を守るため今すぐ逃げ
Ito po si MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino. Ang inyong maririnig na ingay ay hudyat ng pagsisimula ng Metro-wide Shake Drill.
Ito po si FIVOX Director Renato Suldum. Sa drill scenario pong ito, gumalaw na po ang West Valley Fault. Ito po ay isang ehersisyo lamang.
Ang kooperasyon ng bawat isa ay mahalaga.
رجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي: ارتدي القناع الواقي، ابق في مكان آمن، واصل مشاهدتك لتلفزيون القناة 3 أو الاستماع للراديو على محطة FM تردد 91.4 أو 101.4.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask. Stay in a safe place. Stay tuned to Channel 3 television or to 91.4 or 101.4 FM on the radio.
رجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي: ارتدي القناع الواقي، ابق في مكان آمن، واصل مشاهدتك لتلفزيون القناة 3 أو الاستماع للراديو على محطة FM تردد 91.4 أو 101.4.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask. Stay in a safe place. Stay tuned to Channel 3 television or to 91.4 or 101.4 FM on the radio.
الرجاء الانتباه. لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني في المنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار زوال الخطر. بإمكانك الآن التصرف بطريقة عادية.
Civil Defence in the Eastern Province has sounded the all-clear siren.
E informar al público en áreas designadas. Esta es K20FZ, Univisión 20. Nosotros continuaremos en servirle en el norte del Valle de Sacramento. Si usted no está en esta área, contacte su estación local para proveerse de noticias e información. Usted está escuchando el servicio del sistema de alerta de emergencia del norte del Valle de Sacramento. No use su teléfono. Las líneas de teléfono deberán estar abiertas para uso de emergencia. El sistema de alerta de emergencia ha sido activado.
Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, South Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 15 miles south of Nolensville, or 16 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro and Walker Hill. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Ontario Amber Alert in effect. Hamilton Police Service is requesting an Amber Alert in relation to an abducted child. Victim is Finnegan Diana, described as male, white, 11-year-old, 4 foot 6 inches, 71 lbs, short blonde hair. He is last seen wearing a white t-shirt with Special Olympics logo, gray shorts, no shoes. Finnegan walks with significant limp due to neuromuscular disorder and has very limited mobility without a wheelchair. He may be non-communicative. Wheelchair was left at the residence. He was last seen yesterday at 10:15 a.m. at his residence on Trudy Court, Dundas, Ontario. There are no suspects or vehicle description available. If observed, call 911.
This emergency warning is being issued for Anglers Rest, Benambra, Bingo Mungie North, Bundara, Cassilis, Kabungra, Dargo, Dinner Plain, Falls Creek, Flower Bag, Glen Valley, Glen Wills, Hinnamungie, Hotham Heights, Mayford, Nels, Omeo Valley, Shanahan, Shannon Vale, Swiss Creek, Tongio, Wentworth, Wangangara. Bushfire activity has dramatically increased to the northwest of Anglers Rest. The bushfire is heading towards Omeo, Anglers Rest, Dinner Plain and Kabungra. The fire is currently impacting the Omeo township. This fire is threatening homes and lives. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging, locally destructive winds in Dargo, Omeo and surrounding communities Saturday afternoon. Be aware of very dangerous and unpredictable road conditions. You should move indoors to stay safe unless you need to evacuate because of the fire. Trees are likely to fall on buildings and across roads. The Hotham Road is closed at the boom gates at Harrietville. This emergency warning replaces the message published at 12:34 p.m. today, the 4th of January. You are in danger and need to act immediately to survive. The safest option is to take shelter indoors immediately. It is too late to leave. You should move indoors. Protect yourself by wearing long sleeves and trousers made from pure cotton or wool. Wear leather boots. Bring your pets inside. Close all exterior doors, windows and vents and turn off cooling systems. You must take shelter before the fire arrives. The extreme heat is likely to kill you well before the flames reach you. Shelter in a room that has 2 exits, such as a door or window, including one directly to the outside. It is important to be able to see outside so you know what is happening with the fire. If your home catches on fire and the conditions inside become unbearable, you need to get out and go to an area that has already been burnt. It may still be too hot to remain outside, so you'll need to seek shelter in another structure or last resort option. There is a place of assembly at Omeo Recreation Reserve. Only travel to this assembly if it is safe to do so. If you cannot get indoors, last resort options include shelter in the middle of a large open area like a ploughed paddock, football oval or sporting reserve. Get into a large body of water like a dam, lake, river, the ocean or in-ground pool. Try to protect yourself from the fire's heat. If you are travelling, do not enter the warning area. U-turn to safety. If you are currently driving, slow down and turn on your headlights. Smoke will make it difficult to see. If you are caught in fire in your car, park behind a solid structure to block the fire's heat or pull over to a cleared area. Try to position the car towards the approaching fire. Turn on your hazard lights and headlights, close all windows, turn off the air conditioning and shut all the air vents. Turn your car engine off. Get down as low as possible below window level and cover up with a pure woolen blanket. Check the Vic Traffic website, traffic.vicroads.vic.gov.au or call 131170 for road closures. This message was issued by the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning. The next update is expected by today, the 4th of January at 7:50 p.m. or as the situation changes. For medical advice, call Nurse on Call 1300 606 024. For a life-threatening emergency, call 000. Ensure you stay informed, use multiple sources, emergency.vic.gov.au, the Vic Emergency Hotline, free call 1800 226 226, the Vic Emergency app, or via your official emergency broadcaster.
1566 3NE, your official emergency broadcaster.
It is strongly recommended that you evacuate now if you are located in Dinner Plain, Falls Creek, Hotham Heights and surrounding areas. There are multiple bushfires burning in the Abbey Yard area that are not yet under control. Victoria Police are supporting evacuations in the area. However, you cannot rely on emergency services to evacuate you. There will be a southwesterly wind change impacting the fire ground from approximately 1 p.m. today, Saturday the 4th of January, moving the fire in a northeasterly direction. This is expected to significantly increase the size of the fire. If you are located in Dinner Plain, Falls Creek, Hotham Heights and surrounding areas, it is strongly recommended that you evacuate now and move to a safer location away from the fire. This warning is current. An emergency warning will be issued if the situation changes and the threat to community increases. Evacuate now. When you leave, remember to take your pets, mobile phone and charger. If you are away from home, do not return. If you choose to stay, emergency services may not be able to help you. Travel to a safer location. Options include a relief centre open at Wangaratta Performing Arts Centre, Oven Street, Wangaratta, the home of family or friends away from the warning area. If you evacuate to a family or friend's house, you should register with the Red Cross at Register Find Reunite, register.redcross.org.au, or by calling 1800 727 077 to let people know you are safe. Use Find to look for people you know may be affected by an emergency. Residents in Dinner Plain and Hotham Heights should leave via the Great Alpine Road and head towards Wangaratta. Residents in Falls Creek should leave via Bogong High Plains Road to the Kiewa Valley Highway. If you are travelling, do not enter the area. U-turn to safety. Slow down and turn on your head.
Se oli siis kansallinen radiopäivän tervehdys, joka lähti ihan kaikkialle Suomen maassa joka ikisellä radiokanavalla ja tähän samaan kellonaikaan. Meillä täällä Ylen aikaisessa on seuraavaksi liikennetiedotetta luvassa.